Hi, my name is Laura Flanagan, and this is my TTLO ePortfolio. My teaching context is a little bit abbreviated right now, or interrupted, I should say. I was a teacher for 15 years at a high school, and at about year 10, I started adjuncting for a local college, an in-state public institution. I had to leave both because I developed some autoimmune illness and couldn't teach full time anymore, couldn't keep up with the schedule. So my new context is that of a tutor and hopefully soon at some point adjuncting again. I have some experience with online teaching from the high school experience and also the college experience. I've used different LMS such as Google Classroom. At the college I used Blackboard, and now I have, through this course, have had the Canvas experience. I've always wondered what more I could do with these platforms, and this class has provided me with that, what can you do, and also some more pedagogical whys. In this portfolio, you'll see three main parts. The first part is the course creation process and considerations that I took in developing this course. My next was the experience of a student in an online language class to see how I had been skeptical before about how could this all be done, and the practice activities helped me understand that perspective, and I was able to design some activities taking this perspective into mind. And then the last part has been examining some teacher tools that I can use in the future to bring my lessons to another level, increase the interaction, and increase the depth of knowledge that the students are attaining both in L1 and L2. What do I plan to do with all of this? I I feel like this course has opened that creative flow again, if you will, um, and has shown me a lot of tools that I can take back to a face-to-face classroom, but just really strengthened my awareness that good practices are good practices, and that we do this for the students, and that they are our major focus. And the more we focus on them, the better results that we get in the classroom, whether it be face-to-face or online. And I've learned a lot in this course and hope you can see that through my ePortfolio. Have a good day. Thank you.